We've been through a lot together, you and I. I can't lose you too, okay?
I can't lose Clarke.
You'd do anything for her, to protect her. Just makes sense.
We can't lose her.
I'm sorry.
I can see your heart hanging in the air.
Everything's so different.
You're gonna have to make it a kill shot.
Every step as you climb the stairs.
283 lives for one. She must be pretty important to you.
She is.
This is harder than we know. We hold it in the most when we're wearing thin. Coming like a hurricane. I take it in real.
If I'm on that list, you're on that list.
I can't.
Write it down. Write it down, or I will.
May we meet again?
May we meet again. I was so angry at you for leaving. You left me. You left everyone. I don't want to feel that way anymore.
Well, it seems to me that the best relationships, the ones that last, are frequently the ones that are rooted in friendship. You know, one day you look at the person.
Clarke, if I don't see you again.
You will.
You see something more than you did the night before.
Bellamy.
I know, Raven.
Then we need a little more time.
I left her behind. I left her behind. And we all die anyway.
What about them? Do you think they'll come back too?
Bellamy? Clarke knew you would come.
Clarke's alive. Clarke, you saved us all.
And now you're home.
You're out of your mind. If you think I'm letting you do this alone, I'm gonna have to do this alone.
You won't be by yourself. The only way we're gonna pull this off is together.
Together. Together.
Together.
Leadership is a lonely pursuit, but you keep her centered.
You got it backwards.
Pleading for the life of a traitor who we love. The heart and the head.
The heart and head.
Hey.
Hey.
Bellamy's not dead, Clarke. You care about her.
What?
Now you care about Bellamy. Bellamy?
Clarke.
I care about all of them. Her friends are her weakness. Start with Bellamy, Blake. I always cared. And you worry about him more.
When you were on the ring, she called you on the radio every day.
Bellamy?
For 6 years.
I left Clarke behind to die, and I'm not doing that again.
I don't know how it can change. It's all we know, the hurricane.